In today's video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from Temu. Now, withdrawing on Temu is actually a very quick and simple process, and the first thing you need to do is open up the Temu app. From here, we can go to the bottom of the app and look for this U tab, and that will take us to this page. So in order to withdraw our money from Temu, we will actually have to find where our money is located, and it will be in one of two places. The first place it could be is in this credit balance section, and when we click on that, we'll be able to see how much we have in credits. Now, if you've got a significant amount in here, you should be able to click the withdraw button to withdraw this money into your bank or PayPal account. However, if your money is in a different location, you'll have to go back and you'll have to either click on earn credits and free gifts, or you can select click for cash if you can see that as an option. However, if you're in the United States, you'll have to click earn credits and free gifts, and then you'll have to find click for cash right here as a second option. So as you can see, I've got $5 in my wallet. And if I wanted to withdraw, I can simply click this orange withdraw button. However, as you can see at the top, it does say that we need $20 minimum to withdraw. So in order to actually withdraw this money, you must have $20 in your account. And you can earn more money by referring friends. As you can see down here, it tells you that they give you $5 for every referral who downloads and logs into an account. But other than that, as long as you do meet the requirements, you'll be able to click withdraw, and that will allow you to withdraw money from Temu into your PayPal account. So that's how you can withdraw on Temu. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.